A Colossal Cake, Episode 2. Hello and welcome back to Terry Cooks. Today we're going to bake some delicious cake. I'm so excited. Let's get started. First, we take our dough and knead it into a big ball. Now we'll bake the first layer of cake. While we wait, it's time for Guess the Fruit. Okay, this is how it works. I'll show you a fruit, and you need to guess which fruit it is. Okay, let's start. What fruit is this? Yes, it's an apple. Now what fruit is this? Perfect, it's a bunch of grapes. This last one's a vegetable. Which vegetable is it? Unbelievable. Yes, it's a carrot. Hey look, the cake is ready. Now we need to decorate the cake. Let's use green frosting like grass, peas, and lettuce. I'm also going to use blue frosting like the ocean, the sky, and blueberries. Yummy! I like blueberries. Anyway, let's get going. Let's use the green as the first layer of frosting. Wow, it's looking delicious already. But we're not done yet. We're going to make this cake extra special by making a second layer like a snowman. Okay, my second cake layer is in the oven and baking now. While we're waiting for the second layer to bake, let's play a game. Come on, it'll be fun. I know. Let's play hide and seek. I'll hide and you need to find me. Ready, go. Where am I? Am I in the microwave? No. Am I in the oven? No. Here I am. I'm in the window. Did you find me? Let's play again. Where am I? Where am I? Am I in the sink? No, that'd be very silly. Where am I? Am I in the dishwasher? Yeah, here I am. That was fun. I think the cake's ready now. Now we take the cake out of the oven and put it on the first layer. Now that we have both layers of the cake, we need to frost the top one with blue. Which one is blue? Yes, it's this one. Now that it's fully frosted, we can decorate it with different candy shapes. I'm going to start with the star. Which one is the star? Yes, perfect. That is a star. Wow, this looks delicious. Next, we'll add some flowers. Which of these look like flowers? Good job! These are the flowers. Finally, I'll finish off our creation by adding a diamond shape on top. Which one of these is a diamond? Perfect. It is this one. Our cake is finally finished. Let's eat. Subscribe.